Hello, my friends. I'm Miss Heather. This is Padfoot, and we are here today to read you the book titled Ah-Choo! Do you see the little girl? She looks like she's sneezing. There are all these animals around. I wonder what's making her sneeze. It is written by Lena Wayne Keller and Gloria G. Adams, and the illustrations are by Ken Min. Illustrations are the person who does the artwork, the person who draws the pictures. Let's see what happens in this book. All right. I asked my mom if I could have a pet, or even two. Look, there's a rabbit and a hamster, I think. 1, 2. But every time I brought one home, my sister went, Ah-Choo! Ah, she's sneezing. At first, I tried an antelope and bobolinks that flew. But when my sister tried to pet them both, she then went, Ah-Choo! Uh-oh. I think it might be the animals that are making her sneeze. So next, I got a fluffy cat and a dog from Kathmandu. Where's Kathmandu? I wonder where that is. But when she snuggled up with them, my sister went. Where did she go? What do you think? Ah-Choo! I tried a feather emu, plus a ferret, goose, and hen, an ibis, jackal, kangaroo, a leopard seal, but then my sister sneezed a bigger sneeze than she had sneezed before. She's sniffing. Look, here they are all happy, and then, they fell on the floor because she sneezed so loud. I took my pets down to the zoo and went to look for more. A monkey and a nightingale, an owl that said, whoo. But Sis let out a mighty wail, ah! And then she went, Ah-Choo! The pig, a quail, the rooster who crowed a cock-a-doodle-doo, a skunk and 7 silly squirrels all made Sis go. Where'd she go? Ah-Choo! She sneezed in the pig's face and the mud flew. And at the quail and the rooster and the squirrels. They were having a tea party. That sounds like fun. My takin from the mountain slopes who always liked to chew. Umbrella birds and vultures' wings caused one great big Ha-Choo! Oh my gosh, she's so sneezy. That would suck. I don't like to sneeze. Well, sometimes I like to sneeze. A warthog, weasel, and a wolf. A xanthus I named Jack. A yaffle and a zebra too. I had to take them back. At last, I had a great idea. Much better than before. I bought a bearded dragon from Mrs. Gray's pet store. Bearded dragons. Now, do they have feathers or fur? No, they have scales. They have scales. And now we have a brand new pet. His name is Mr. Blue. He's got no feathers, fur, or hair, so we can hold him too. I still can visit my old pets down at the local zoo. And best of all, they never go make my sister say, Ha-Choo! The end. So she was allergic to those pets, don't you think? Where is he? Come here, buddy. I wanted to introduce you to my bearded dragon. Here he is. We have a bearded dragon. And his name is Viper Spyro. He has a middle name, Spyro. And this is what a bearded dragon looks like. And see, he's covered in scales, and he feels a little bumpy, and a little hard, and a little rough. And then he has spikes here, but he doesn't hurt, and he's just calm. And his belly feels soft, and so he likes to roam around. Padfoot. Padfoot doesn't mind him either. Padfoot. So there you go. Thanks for listening, friends. You know, I like you all just the way you are, and I love you too. Bye.